Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be checking out the NES Classic console that Nintendo brought back out. And we're even going to compare it to the original Nintendo. And that's coming right up. Hey guys, welcome back. It's awesome to have you here. However, if this happens to be your first time here, hit that subscribe button. So that way you don't miss out on anything. Wow, alright, so 30 games. So what game do you guys wish that you had on here that's maybe not on here? Jaws was mine. I don't see Jaws on here. I want Jaws. And which game are you looking forward to the most? Let me know in the comments below here. At least it's got Zelda. I'm most looking forward to Zelda. Alright, let's open it up. Let's check it out. Perfect. If you're happy, I'm happy. Now you're playing with power. An NES controller. Alright, there it is. It looks just like an original controller. Original here on the right, the new one on the left. Plugs obviously are different. I guess they don't want you interchanging them, huh? But otherwise, I mean, that's exactly the same.
The original looks like it has a much longer cord.
Oh yeah, much longer.
Massive difference.
That is a massive difference. Looks like it's just a USB power adapter. Oh, ain't that cute? Look at that cute little thing. Oh man, it don't even open. It should at least open. It's kind of cool. It looks like it. Oh, real buttons. DC power, HDMI out. So that's cool. Can't wait to see what that looks like. Power cord for the little power adapter and an HDMI cord. Awesome, snossome. Let's check it out compared to the original one. I mean, heck of a size difference. Man, don't you miss doing that? Yeah. Look at that.
I mean, is that cartridge bigger than the mini console itself?
Gosh, it sure looks like
oh
it is.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. That's kind of cool. Awesome, snossome. I guess now, power it in and plug it in and see what happens, huh? See if it works. Oh, it went right to the head. Oh, would you look at that?
No Japanese? Come on.
Oh, what in the heck? Wow, that's cool. I like how it's full screen even for the thing. I wonder what it'll do with the game. Oh, wow.
Nice.
Yes. It even does the 4x3. Oh, look at this old school inventory. Wow.
But like the gear up at the top, I think there's some different. Oh yeah, there's some display settings and stuff.
See what's in display settings, I'm curious. Oh, how you can get a CRT look? I think I'm fine with 4x3, really. God, get used to this controller. Alright, so the original console only comes with the one controller, so you can get the Bluetooth controller if you want to play two-player. Now, the Super NES console has two controllers that comes with it. So if you're going to be going with the NES, you don't need the Super NES, you don't need the Bluetooth controller. But for the original, you do, if you want to do two-player. So let's check it out, see if it works. Oh, this is kind of funky looking. You don't quite look like it, but it does. Oh, what we got here? AAA batteries that it don't come with. Who would have thought, right? And a Bluetooth controller, but it looks like it plugs in easily to here. So be warned, you need batteries. Hey, little light. Let's check it out and see if it works as the main controller, which would be nice, right? And it does. Check it out. It's great. I like it. So how do you shut this thing off? Just unplug it. Oh yeah, it loses, it flashes. Hopefully the batteries don't go dead because there's no on or off button. Hey guys, so I got several projects in the oven at the moment. I got a lot going on, and I've even been out of town for work and for training, out of state actually, quite a bit here recently, and I still got a little bit more to do. So I've been quite busy, but I still got a lot going on. I got all these computers down here I'm experimenting with, and if you guys got any kind of cool ideas you want to see me do, please leave some comments down below on what you'd like me to see with some of these older computers. However, that aside, we also got some of these old things, thrift store finds. We got some thrift store computers, some yard sale computers I found that I want to check out, power up for the first time. I love finding that old tech, you know, for almost next to nothing. It's a lot of fun. So I got all of that still coming up in the upcoming videos. Alright guys, I just want to let you know what's going on. Oh man, I forgot. There's even an abandoned house. I mean, what abandoned house doesn't need power for tech, right? We got that too coming up. Holy moly. I mean, that's a whole nother video. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe if you enjoyed your video today. And I will see you guys in the next video. What, you think they should subscribe? You think so? Yeah? Yeah? I think it's a yes. Yes. She says subscribe.